Ready. Alright, so we're here with Coach VASSEL of Kingston College. Talk to me, Coach. How do you feel about a dominant performance like this one?
Elated. We asked the team to step up. I thought the preparation coming into this game was good. We're just concerned about playing out of position. I thought that right through the competition we have been creating opportunities. We're not surprised that we created a number of them, and I'm pretty satisfied with the finishing rate. So one cannot ask for more against a decent Hydel team. So we step up at the right time, and I'm pretty proud of the boys.
Coach, what can you credit that to? Without one of your star players in Daly, one of your most clinical players, and still manage to have such a conversion rate like this today. What do you credit that to?
Look, when I named the starting level this morning, I look at the front five and I said among the front five is 40 odd goals. We have over 12 players, over 7 players scoring over 5 goals. So I'm not surprised in terms of our attack. We're always going to create opportunity, and I love it. I like the performance of the front people today. And still some areas we're not getting carried away. It wasn't the perfect game, but one cannot ask for more at this level, at this stage of the competition.
All right, Coach, talk to me about the change of format. Obviously 4 groups of 4 now, instead of 2 knockout games and then the quarterfinals. How do you feel about that? 1 extra game. Talk to me about it.
I like it. More games for the youngsters is always good, and it gives an opportunity for our team. If you slip up one time at this stage, you still have a chance because it's 2 teams and then 2 more teams from the quarterfinal round. So more games, a little bit more opportunity for the boys. I like this format.
All right, the second season, Coach, how do you feel about going all the way?
From the beginning, we said we're preparing the team to go far in the competition. You realize the team is peaking at the right time. I mean, this is the first game at this round, so hopefully we can carry this forward into the next game. But 1 game at a time for now. We're just focusing on Ulmas come Tuesday.
All right, Coach, good game and